this is just a tip compared to what is coming for you. Say the truth and relieve yourself from this stress and pain.
Madam. Hey. I did not kill my Oga wife.
So how best explains you at the scene of the crime?
So, what do you want me to do now? I should accept an offense that I didn't commit. I already told you. You've tortured me. I told you that I'm innocent. I did not do it.
Money will not be the problem. Oga now, speed up now, they go a beg.
Now you talk Asha, you not say for a course.
Okay, enter this way, enter anywhere. Even if na your house, just carry me, they go.
What happened now? Hey, Chief, welcome, sir. Why are you holding me like this now? What did I do?
Michael, where are you going to in a hurry? With your bag?
Okay. My bag. Can
you speak?
Chief, I don't know. I don't know where I was going to. I don't know.
Start saying what I want to hear. Where are you going to?
Chief, you know now. Chief, I saw Madame lying lifeless. Yes, you know now.
You saw what? You saw my wife lying lifeless on the floor?
I don't know.
Michael, what did you do to my wife?
I swear I did not do anything to her. I swear to God Almighty. I swear with my papa, I did not see anything. I did not...
Hey, pray. Just pray nothing happens to my wife. Ozed, yes, drag him inside.
Hey! Chief! You're a criminal. That's what you all say. You're innocent. Well, I'll get to the root of this. I assure you that. I should just accept a crime I did not commit. No, I will never do that. But Chief, you know now. Chief, I did not do anything to her.
Stay here. I am.
Chief, I swear to God, my guy, I did not do anything to Chief's wife. Oh. But Chief, no now. Chief, don't do anything. Come here. No, that's my place, sir. What's the problem?
You're sounding as if you're leaving here the next minute. You seem not to understand the gravity of what you're into, Michael. This is a murder case, and you're in with Chief Ifediba. So you see, it's not a child's play, right?
So why should I panic? No, tell me. Why should I be scared? I did not kill Chief Ifediba's wife. And I have evidence.
Are you serious?
Of course I do. My baby.
Stop.
Hi! Life is good though.
Very, very good. Wait. Where are you going to?
Pop champagne.
Wait!
Let me pop champagne.
Stop it now. Hey, you Michael.
Wait.
Wait! Stop it. It's very expensive. Drop it. Michael, my come out from there. I'm not complaining. Fanta is okay, man.
No. Let's put this one.
Eh?
Let's put this one. You know life is good.
Life is good, but seriously, stop this thing. What if Oga and Madam, if they come back, what are we going to do?
Baby, relax first. Oga will never come back to this house without calling me on the phone. Don't you know who I am? Chief Security Officer of this mansion. Let us be practicing as rich Oga and rich Madam. May the thing enter our body.
I know, but seriously, it's a good idea, but I'm having this bad feeling. I don't know, my instinct, whenever I didn't follow it, it lands me into trouble. I don't like it. I don't know the way I'm feeling.
Forget about your instinct. The only feeling you should be having now is the feeling you have for me and the feeling of enjoyment.
Okay.
Let me pop champagne. He said, life is good. Balance. Come on, sit here.
I should come and sit here.
Come and sit. Ah.
Let's cheers. Cheers to good life.
Good life. My baby. My baby. My baby.
Is that not Oga's horn?
No, it can never be my Oga's horn. It is my neighbor's horn.
Are you sure?
Yes, now I know my Oga's horn.
Definitely, I'm not
Comfortable. Be comfortable.
Oga, I told you that's Oga. Wait to what?
Go.
Nonsense! You keep hiding under your political career to do the wrong things.
Susan! Susan!
You're welcome, sir. My next president. Welcome, sir.
Susan, I am talking to you. Huh? Come back here, I am talking to you.
What? How dare you? I hope this slap will reset your brain. What is it with this political thing that made you lose your sanity? Listen, if you don't retrace your step, I will help you to jeopardize your forthcoming election.
Chief said you guys should go and freshen up. That you are going out now. Like now. Yeah, now. Okay?
Was that the reason why you slapped me? Huh? Was that the reason you slapped me? I'm talking to you. Be very, very careful. How dare you lay your hands on me? Be very, very careful. because I will not give room to anybody that will stand against my political ambition. Nonsense.
Michael, there's fire on the mountain. There's fire on the mountain. Oh,
What happened?
it's Oga. Oh, Madam, oh.
What do you mean by it's fire on the mountain?
Oga, Madam, they were having an argument. Oh, Oga mistakenly pushed Madam and she fell on the floor and hit her head. My sister's now, I don't even know if she's still alive or not.
Wait first. Are you
Then,
sure?
I'm sure. I know what I saw. I'm very sure.
Wait. Relax first.
Okay.
Don't panic.
I'm shaking.
And I'm not even sure that this thing happened. Okay, he's a very gentle man. He cannot do such.
I know what I saw. I know what I saw. I know what I saw. Madam is lying on. She's lying on the floor. She's lying on the floor.
Wait now. Wait.
Okay.
Calm down.
Okay.
See, nothing is happening. Oh, Chief cannot do that. You have to leave this place now. I don't want them to see you.
I told you that I'm having a bad feeling.
What feeling are you having now?
I know what I saw. I know what I saw. He pushed Madam. Madam is lying on the floor. Inside there. Madam is lying on the floor.
Come and start going.
Madam is lying on the floor.
Oh, you are still lying there. No, you are still lying down there after giving me a dirty slap. Susan, why are you lying there after giving me a dirty slap? Your husband, you have the infantry. Susan, I'm talking to you. Susan! Okay. You want me to beg you? You want me to beg you after slapping me? God. Susan, I'm talking to you. Susan! Susan. Ah! What?
Mistakenly hit Madam and she fell on you. Susan. Michael,
Where is OZ and the driver?
your boys are freshening up.
Okay, please go and tell them to come right now. I have an urgent meeting to attend. Yeah, you go to the car and reverse. Let's go. Right now. Okay. I praise you then. Yeah. Do take good care of the house. All right?
I will, sir.
Take care of everywhere.
I believe in your government. I sir. Open the gate.
Calm down.
your call.
Yes, hello, Michael. How is Madame?
Who? Madam? Madam is alright now.
Are you sure that she's fine? Please, can you help me go check on Madame? Check on her now. Just go, yes, go and check on her.
Okay. Let me go and check. I will get back to you. I will call you back. But everywhere good. Let me call you back.
Okay.
Madam. Hey.
Hello?
Hey. Hello, man. I saw Madame lying lifeless.
He's dead?
I don't know. I don't know what happened, though.
Chief just left the house. Listen, Michael. Listen. You have to leave that house now. I said listen to me, listen. You have to leave that house now for Chief to leave the house pretending that all is well. He must be up to something. And that thing is not good for you. It's not good for me. It's not good for anyone. Just leave that house now. Leave. I said leave the house.
Okay.
Okay, I'm at that uncompleted building close to the house. Come and meet me there. Leave everything you're doing, Michael. Just leave everything you're doing and meet me here. Just come, I'm waiting for you. Okay. He's dead.
Oh, Claire. Back. I have a feeling that something is going on in my house. Very bad feeling.
So what do we do, boss?
Reverse this car and let's go home.
what you have to do now is you will go to my girlfriend, Linda. Tell her to give you a video clip. Take it to my uncle, and you people should come back here with it.
Okay, but how are you sure Linda will not disappoint
She
you?
will not. Ross, what happened now? Hey, Chief, welcome, sir. Why are you holding me like this now? What did I do?
Michael, where are you going to in a hurry? With your bag?
Okay. My bag.
Can you speak?
Chief, I don't know. I don't know where I was going to. I don't know.
Start saying what I want to hear. Where are you going to?
Chief, you know now. Chief, I saw Madame lying lifeless. Yes, you know now.
You saw what? You saw my wife lying lifeless on the floor?
I don't know.
Michael, what did you do to my wife?
I swear I did not do anything to her. I swear to God Almighty. I swear with my papa, I did not see anything. I did not.
Hey, pray. Just pray nothing happens to my wife. Ozed, drag him inside.
Hey, Chief.
You're a criminal. That's what you all say. You're innocent. Well, I'll get to the root of this. I assure you that.
I should just accept a crime I did not commit. No, I will never do that. But Chief, you know now. Chief, I did not do anything to her.
Stay here. I am.
Chief, I swear to God, my guy, I did not do anything to Chief's wife. Oh. But Chief, no now. Chief, no. Eh? Come here. But Chief, no.
Stand up, Lister. What's the problem?
I did not do it, oh. God bear me witness. I did not kill Madame, oh. Chief, I did not do it. I did not do it, I swear. I did not do it. I don't know what happened. I did not do it.
Michael. What happened to my wife? What did you do to my wife?
My president, I swear with my life. Makachineke, I don't know what happened. I did not do anything.
But I saw you running away with your bag. Where were you going to?
But
you killed my wife and decided to run away.
I did not do it. I was not trying to run, but
if you don't start talking, I'm going to do something drastic that you will regret in your life. Start talking. What did you do to my wife?
I did not do it. I did not do anything. Talk to Oga. I did not do it. Oh, I did not.
Okay. You know what? I can help you. The cops are on their way coming to this place. Can you tell me the truth?
Police.
What did you do to my wife?
I did not do anything.
You didn't do anything to my wife.
I did not.
You didn't do anything to my wife. You didn't do anything to my wife. How dare you kill my wife? How dare you kill my wife? How dare you?
I did not do it. I swear, Chief. I did not do it.
Michael, after everything I've done for you, after everything I have done to you, I clothed you, I gave you food, I paid you salaries. Don't I pay you salaries? And you had the infantry to kill my wife and decided that you want to run away.
I swear with my life, I'm innocent. I did not do it.
The cops are coming. Ozed! And you, what are you doing there? Report this car! Park this car very well. Are you people mad?
I did not do it.
Hit him! Hit him! Hit him! Hit him! Hit him! You need to confess. If he lives here, consider yourself sacked. Not just sacked, you will be dead. Alright? Good.
I did not do it. I did not do it.
I have the death video.
Man, Chief is not a nice person at all. He wants you to go in for a crime you know nothing about. And because he knows you don't have anybody that is going to stand for you. Chief is such a heartless man. You don't have to worry about anything, okay? Since you have the evidence, all I have to do is go, get Linda, get the evidence, and we'll come back to the station to get you out from this place today.
That's all you have to do for me now.
You don't have to worry, you're my friend. I know if I'm in your shoes, you will do the same. Okay?
It's okay.
It's fine, my brother.
I can't be suffering what I know nothing about.
I understand.
Are you sure about what he just told me?
Very sure, sir.
Have you collected the tape?
Not yet. I just came to inform you, before going.
Not yet. Collins, not yet. What are you waiting for? No, tell me. What are you waiting for?
Okay, sir. I'll go get the video right away.
Will you run along right now?
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
Run! I want you to follow Collins. He is on his way to meet Linda. When he gets the tape, I want you to come back with him. Make sure you go with TM, alright?
Yes, sir.
And make sure he doesn't notice you're following him.
Alright, sir.
Good. Run. What sort of nonsense is this? Did they want to ruin my political ambition?
Hello, Linda. Where are you now? I'm at the junction.
Just come now, come, okay? You will see an uncompleted building by your right.
Uncompleted story. Oh, okay. All right.
Linda, if I may ask you, what has Chief done for you in particular?
My love.
Yes.
Hey, you know I'll be going back to my workplace tomorrow.
But you just go back now.
Baby, I know, but you know the nature of my job. He's a security man, onye. So I have to be on guard. I'm always busy. But there is one thing that brought me back home, to discuss something very important with you.
So what is it you want to discuss?
I don't know if you would like to get a job at my working place.
That won't be a bad idea, yes.
Okay.
So, what's the nature of the job?
The work is paying, oh. Hey, big money. I'm telling you. So you just have to come and start work there.
No, that's
so.
not the question. That is not the answer now. That's not the answer to my question. I just asked, what is the nature of the job?
Okay, the nature of the job is house help.
House help?
House help with style, not just house help. House help we get style.
House help is house help.
I just told you that it's paying. Babe, listen. It's nothing. I promise you, there is nothing there. At least from there, you can be able to raise money to start up your fashion and designing business. You never can tell. Anything can happen. Think calm now.
Well, you have a point. It's okay. The thing is that I have to go home, discuss with my mom, and you go and discuss with your madam and tell me whatever she said.
No problem.
But before then, you have to take me home first.
Okay, my anticipating house help. Wouldn't you like to be working at the same place with me?
It shouldn't be a bad idea.
Boyfriend, gate man, girlfriend,
house help. Mama, I have something to discuss with you.
I hope all is well.
Yes, all is well. There's no problem.
Okay. What is it?
Mama, it's Michael.
Someone is about to get married.
Amarachi, I wasn't talking to you. Please, can you keep quiet? I'm talking to Mama. What's wrong with you? What's that?
It's okay. Can you just concentrate and tell me what you're about to say?
Mama, is Michael. He told me that there is a job vacancy in that house he's working. So he spoke to his boss so that I can work there as well.
Job vacancy?
Yes.
What is the nature of that job?
House girl work.
Mama, if...
Hey, Bia, sorry.
Mama, just...
Sorry. Sit down. Bia, Amarachi.
Mama.
Amarachi.
Mama.
Can you just quiet on Wegugu now?
Okay, ma.
You better, because if you don't, if I get up from this chair and meet you there, I will push into that soccer pit.
I'm sorry, Mama.
Don't interrupt us again. Continue, Mama.
Mama, I'm going to work there as a housekeeper. The salary is very encouraging. The salary is very good.
Housekeeper?
Yes, Mama, it's better now. It's better than staying in this village doing nothing. I'm not doing anything now. And you know, I have to save money. I have to open my fashion store. Let me save up a little. Because just permit me.
Okay. If that is what you want, fine. It is for better tomorrow. Hurry up.
Yes. Thank you, Mama. Thank you.
Oscar! Hey! Linda!
Michael, on the other hand, helped me secure a job in Chief's house.
You see what I told you?
Listen! She said she will be paying me 50K and I can resume tomorrow.
Hey, you see what I told you? It's better than staying in the village and doing nothing. And my mother, once you started working for her and you are good, she will elevate your now.
Are you serious?
Yes, now.
She will increase my salary.
She will increase your salary.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Stop hugging me so that my mother will not start thinking maybe you are my girlfriend. That's why I suggested you for the work.
You have a point.
So you said you are starting work when?
Tomorrow, she said I can start tomorrow. You know what? Let me go home so I can prepare. Pack my things and then come back.
I want to tell you 1 or 2 things before you leave.
Okay.
My daughter, please, when you get there, behave yourself. Don't forget your own training. I mean, the way I brought you up. Because serve your madam very well. And remember, the bar is in Asia for Kego. Good name is better than millions.
No, you have nothing to worry about. I promise I'm not going to disappoint you. I'm not going to disgrace you.
Bianano. Okwada adam wine. Eh? Adan ji angonku. Adan geji we gweji nku gweji.
Mama.
No.
Mama.
I trust you. Please. Oh? One more thing. I know that Michael is your boyfriend. Yes. You both should not lose focus on your jobs. Mind what you will go there to do.
Very important. You both should not lose focus.
Amarachi.
Ma?
Have I not warned you to stop putting your mouth in matters that does not concern you?
I'm just trying to contribute.
Contributor. Contribute what? What you know or what you don't know?
I'm not a sister.
Ah, shut up. No. You must not answer every nonsense from her. Just be quiet. When you get there, call me so that I will talk to that Michael myself.
Okay.
You know?
I don't know.
It's okay.
No, thank you very much. I've heard all this, sir.
You're welcome. I'll be praying for you so that God will bless you and favor you.
Amen.
And at least you come back with a, wonderful husband. This is my palm wine here.
Big one, though.
Strong one. Dikeh.
Okay, Mama, no problem. I've heard you.
It's okay.
Amen.
Time is no much on our side. Just go and pack your things. Oh?
Amen.
Don't mind.
Okay, Mama. Let me go.
Amen.
Michael has been the one taking care of my family for ages. Without Michael, my brother won't be a graduate today. Michael has deprived himself of so many things just because of me.
I have finished. What do we run to?
I don't know.
Now your uncles will see this is to finish what they started.
I know, Mom. Please stop crying.
Should I get some me?
Please, now you will not.
What is going on? What is it now? Why are you crying? My friend, what is it? What is going on?
His brother was arrested among the kidnappers by the police officers. Stop crying now. Why are you hurting yourself?
I don't understand. Arrested?
Yes.
Alongside with kidnappers. How?
Yes. I don't know. Mama, stop crying, please.
Later, what do I do? What am I going to do, my only son? Your only brother? My enemies have seen me. My enemies have seen me. They have seen me.
Mama, stop now. Why are you like this now? Mama, stop.
Where are we going to run to now? Where are we going to run to?
Aka. God help you.
Linda! I'm sorry. Sorry. Honey, I think she's disturbed.
Yes, you're right. I took notice of that when she came back from the village. She's not herself. Please kindly go and check on her and know what is going on.
All right. Linda! Linda! What is this girl? Linda! 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 Ma? What happened? Why are you seated here crying? What's going on? Madam is my only brother. What happened to your only brother?
My brother was arrested with some kidnappers when he was coming back from school. And from the look of things, he will not come out alive.
Jesus. Oh my God. Are you serious?
Crying will not solve anything. Rather, it will worsen the situation. Eh? Crying will not solve this problem. Oh. Rather, let us look for a solution. Eh? You never can tell. Miracle will just happen.
Miracle? Miracle from where? Michael, are you the one saying this? You know how my uncle treats us. You know all he has done just to collect my father's land. Am I even sure he's not the one doing this? And you're telling me miracle?
My love, miracle no dey tire Jesus. You just have to be positive. Stop being hard on yourself. I know it's not easy, but you have to calm down. Eh? Please now, stop crying. Eh?
My only brother. You're telling me miracle.
For your health's sake, you have to stop crying. You are being too hard on yourself. Eh? Madam is already complaining that you are not concentrating. Please now, I'm begging you. Stop crying.
Linda!
Madam is calling you. Eh? Go and answer Madam. Go now. Go. Eh?
Linda, you have to go.
Hey, Madam, please. Please don't sack me. Please. I'm sorry for bringing my family issues to work. Please, I promise it will not happen again. I'm sorry.
Linda.
Ma.
Get up. Just get up. Listen to me. Huh? It's not like I have sacked you. I need you to take some time off. You need to face your family. For now, you're not focused. They need you more than anything.
I know. But I want to stay here. I don't want to go home. I'm sorry, Bikonu, please. I don't want to go.
It's okay. You know what will happen? You will have to go to your family. When the pressure is less, then you can come back. Okay? They need you. I will send you some money. And then you'll update me on your brother's case. Is that okay?
Mother, thank you.
It's okay.
God bless you.
I just want you to know that I'm here for you, okay? It's okay. Stop crying. Stop crying. Huh? Stop crying. It's okay. Everything will be fine, okay?
Thank you, Ma.
It's okay.
Thank you.
It's okay. Huh?
any hope from Madame? Oh.
Madam said I should go home and stay with my mother. She said I should go home and stay with my mother and I'm no longer concentrating on my job.
Was that what she said?
Yes.
Hi. Oh. Hi. Hi. Okay. I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to do. Okay, well, baby, see, in case there is any need to bring money, don't hesitate to tell me. I don't mind selling my only inherited land to make sure that your brother is released. But please, I want you to stop crying. Crying will not solve this matter. Please now, stop crying. If your mother sees these tears now, she will not be happy. Everything will be getting more worse. Stop crying now, please.
Let me go pack my things.
My love, everything will be fine. Just hope on God. It's okay. I'm sorry.
There is no hope.
There is hope.
There is no hope from anywhere.
There is hope.
There is no hope from anywhere. Oh, who will I run to? Who will I run to?
This is just trial and temptation.
We did not have anybody. Oh. Not even one. It's only you that I have. Will you kill yourself? Will you kill yourself?
I will do my best.
You will not kill yourself.
It's okay.
You will not kill yourself.
All these things are just trial and temptation.
It's too much.
Everything will be fine.
It's too much. Oh, it's too much. Oh. It's too much. Oh.
Ma, please, there is something I want to talk to you about.
Okay. I'm listening.
Ma, I don't know, but I want to be assisting in the house chores, pending when Linda will resume work, because I know how busy you are. So I want to be assisting. Yes.
That would be nice. But how can you manage the security job you're doing and that of the house chores?
I can manage it very well. It's nothing. I can manage it.
Okay.
Yes.
If you say so, that's nice, because I was even thinking of getting a temporary worker.
Madam, no need of a temporary worker. I will do everything.
Okay,
yes.
That's nice. But if I notice any lapses, I will just get someone else.
Madam, no lapses. I'm equal to the task.
Alright, it's fine.
Thank you very much.
Okay, you can go back to your duty post.
You need to eat too. You need to eat, or I will leave this house. You can't continue like this. Mama, there is no hope. There is no hope. I've been running around. There is no hope. Your mama refused to eat too.
Mama, is that true?
Yes.
Mama, what's the meaning of this now? You don't want to eat anything. No, you want to fall sick. And when you fall sick, I will enter into another problem. Mama, please, I beg you. I'm stressed already. Don't start. You have to eat something now. Why are you doing this to me? Why? Mama, don't worry. You have to eat, so I'm not shouting. You have to eat something. Oh, please, Bikon. God is our only hope, and I know God will do it.
Yes.
Oh, Bikon, eat something, Inugo. Bikon, I beg you. Oh, because
is that not in Emeka?
Run, Emeka.
Emeka! Emeka!
Mama, that place is not the place to be at all.
Hey.
I don't even wish it for my enemy.
Run, Emeka, I don't understand. Wait, You mean no one came for you? Like, you just came out of that place, just like that?
I don't even know. See, it's a miracle. I think God sent an angel to come and rescue me. Because right there when we were in the cell, an officer came and asked, who is Naimeka? At first, I didn't answer because I was scared, I was worried. You know, in that cell, they often take out inmates and they go exchange them for people that who commit serious offenses, and they never return.
Hey.
Yes, Mama. So that's what happened. When the man came and asked, I didn't want to answer, but at some point, I had to summon courage, you know, and I prayed in my heart. I said, God, if this is your will, so be it. Accept my soul. I went out. Upon going out, I was shocked. Getting to the counter, the officer gave me my clothes. I said I should go, that I have been discharged.
But just like that.
Just like that, oh.
Oh, thank God.
But before I left, one of the officers said something. He said that I should go and thank Chief Ifediba Okoye. That plans were ongoing for them to exchange me with one top-ranking criminal like that. But God just interfered.
Chief Ifediba Okoye.
My wife told me all you've been passing through with your family. So this your brother. How well do you know him?
Of a truth, sir. My brother can never hurt a fly. I can swear with my life. He's my only brother. If anything should happen to my brother, my mother cannot survive the trauma.
Which station?
Headquarters.
What's his name?
His name is Nemeka Okeke, sir.
Nemeka Okeke. All right, you can go.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, sorry. Sorry about the interruption. As I was saying, I will write a check and send to you so you can go and offload those goods.
That's my boss. That's the man I'm working for.
Your boss?
Mama, I'm coming. Without Chief, I don't know where my brother will be by now.
Michael.
Yes, Chief.
Open the gate.
Okay, sir. You are looking good, sir.
Someone is there. Who's that?
Who is that?
Thank you. Chief, thank you so much. Chief, thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you for saving my brother's life. Thank you. Chief, thank you. Thank you.
It's nothing. It's nothing. Just get up, okay?
Chief, you don't understand what you've done for my family.
I do.
Especially my mother. You don't understand what you've done for us. Chief, my God will bless you. Chief, I owe you my life. I promise I will remain a faithful servant to you. Chief, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. No.
Help her. Help her. It's okay. It's okay. It's all right. So how is your brother doing?
He's fine. My brother is at home.
Send my regards to him.
I will, sir.
I was on my way going out before you came in.
Okay.
Open the gate.
My next president.
Michael.
I believe in your government, my Oga. Open the gate.
Chief, thank you so much.
My next president.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Our next president. I wish there is a way I can take this off. I wish there is a way that all this will disappear.
Oh, Linda. This is the more reason we should release Michael.
Release Michael?
Yeah.
And Chief will go in for it.
Linda, Chief needs to pay for his crime. Oh yes. Look, let me tell you, Chief is a very selfish man. He's more concerned about his political career. Besides, it was God that made him help you and your family. You have nothing to worry about, Linda. Okay, let me ask you this question. Why did Chief intentionally leave the house knowing fully well he killed his wife? That simply says he wants and knows that Michael will go in for it. Okay? You don't have to worry about all this. Michael is whom you should release and not Chief.
Goodness, you don't understand. You don't get this at all. Chief is a weird man. One way or the other, he will find out that I was the one that released the video that sent him to jail. And he will come after me and my family.
Oh, you're on point. Okay. You know what will happen? If Michael comes out, you and Michael can travel out. Yes, start a new life for yourselves. Okay, look, time is not on our side. I need to get back to the station before they inflict more pains on Michael.
Please let me come with you, please.
I understand, but it's unwise for you to come with me. Where is the content? Where is the video?
I have it here.
Young man, enter this car. Enter this vehicle now. Don't want to repeat myself. Enter this car. Let's go.
So she was in possession of this video?
Yes, Chief.
So after all I did for her and her family, she chooses to pay me back with evil?
Chief, I also asked that same question. You know, after you've done good things for her and her family, this is how she wants to pay you back with evil.
Why do you choose to be on my side instead of Michael, your friend?
Chief, you're a good man. You know, judging from the video, it was a mistake. And I have this feeling that you will release Michael from the police net very soon. Come to think of it, Chief. After all you've labored for in your political career, I can't watch everything crumble at the verge of succeeding.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Chief.
I hope there are no duplicates. I mean, other copies.
No, Chief. What I have here is the only copy. I assure you that.
Thank you. I am going to send a sum of 2 million naira into your account.
Thank you,
for the work well done.
Thank you, sir.
But before then, you will lead OZ to Linda.
But Chief, I don't think it's necessary coming after Linda.
Does it look like your opinion is needed? It is not. You do what I say. You are going to lead OZ to Linda. Okay?
Okay, Chief.
Give him your phone.
You made my phone, Chief.
Hand it over. OZ, remove the SIM card and smash the phone on the floor.
But...
Hey, go on.
Be careful with the phone.
Hello? Hello, Linda. You have to run as fast as your leg can carry you because I think Chief is coming after you. I think Collins has betrayed you and Michael. He showed Chief one video and Chief is not finding it funny at all. I think he's coming after you right now. You have to run.
I trusted Collins. I trusted Collins. Collins, why? Why did you do this to me? I'm in trouble. Michael is in trouble. Collins, I trusted you.
Okay.
I thought you had resigned from this job. What did you go there to go and do?
I only went there to go and see Michael and also to check on my madam. Oh. Hey.
And the footages you gave to Collins, hope you had duplicated them.
I did not. Not even one. I did not duplicate anyone. That was the mistake I made. I never knew that Collins would do this to me. I didn't.
You have done a thing like this. See, you need to be very extra careful. I think Chief must be everywhere looking for you. He needs to make sure you don't get hold of any of those footages.
Hey. Oh, brother,
Brother, please. I've been thinking about Mama and Abarachi. Please just go and move them from that village because once Chief looked for me and he didn't see me, he will go after Abarachi and my mother. Oh, please, brother.
I have a point. I'll look into that and make sure I do that immediately. Meanwhile, I have to go and see my boss, okay? I need to explain the situation of things for him to understand. And I think he's in a better position to be of help, okay? So you need to put yourself together. Stop crying, put yourself together, don't worry.
I don't understand, I'm in a mess.
Don't worry, everything will be fine,
I'm in a mess, I don't want to die, you. They're
I've
looking
got
for me.
you. Don't worry, you're my sister now, don't worry, relax, okay?
Okay.
Alright.
Thank you so much, big brother. I don't know what I would have done without you.
Don't mention. Meanwhile, you don't have to go to anywhere, alright? Just stay here. I'll be back in the jiffy. Let me just meet my boss and explain things to him, okay?
I'm not going anywhere.
Alright, just stay put.
I'll be back.
Don't worry, I'll be back.
Okay.
Get in the car.
What is it again?
Business calls for you. More money also for you too.
I don't understand.
Why are you afraid? You don't have to be scared. If I was to kill you, I won't be having this conversation with you. So get in the car. Get in, let's talk. Chief is offering to give you 1 million naira if you can be able to get Linda back. Are you in or out?
1 million naira. Yes, sure, I am in. And how do I come in?
Let's go.
1 million naira. You would have said this thing earlier now. You frightened me out there.
You don't have to be frightened.
Oh my God.
Precious.
I've not seen you today. Linda, are you okay? Did you travel?
Kind of. Something like that. I traveled.
You are standing, babe. Are you sure you're alright?
I'm fine. I'm okay. I just woke up. Did anyone look for me?
Wait, Collins is here to see you. He said there is something important he wants to talk to you about. Let him give you.
No. Don't give him the phone. I'm going to test you my location. Tell Collins to come and meet me there. Okay? I'm fine. I'm okay. I'm fine. I'm fine. Bye. Idiot. Just come. Come here. I'll make sure that I kill you. Collins, you.
I think she's coming. You need to hide so it doesn't look suspicious.
When she comes out, try and lure her away from where people are.
It's fine. Alright.
Collins, where's the copy of that footage? Where is it? Because I believe you have it. If you did not bring it out, I will shout and people will hear our story.
I don't understand your problem. I don't have any duplicate of that video.
Are you serious? You don't have what? You lie.
Look, Linda, Chief smashed my phone. So I don't have any content about that video.
If you don't give me that footage, I am going to shout and I'm not playing. You're a greedy boy.
What is wrong with you? You're doing all this because of money?
Look, I need that money, so I took advantage of what I have.
Are you kidding me? You needed the money at the expense of your friend and that of your life? Really?
I'm sorry, boy. Uzi, what's on my balance? What, Chief? What, Chief? Just...
I'm moving. Please don't hurt me. Don't hurt me, please.
That's enough. That's okay. Sweet experience, right? No one messes with Chiefy Fady and go scot-free. And you chose to pay me with evil. Huh?
No, Chief. It's not what you think. Everything got complicated.
It is not what I think. I could remember in your words you said, Chief, thank you. Chief, I am grateful. Chief, I own you my life. When it comes for you to return the favor, you chicken out.
I'm so sorry. I'm very sorry. It's just that Michael is helpless. But I know you. You can find your way out.
I can find my way out. So why didn't you come to me first? So I can figure it out. Huh? You are such an ungrateful person. Now tell me, where is the duplicate of this footage?
Sorry, I don't have it. I don't have any duplicate. If I had it, I would be looking for Collins.
Oh. So you were looking for the duplicate from Collins so you can indict me and use it against my political ambition.
No, sir, no. No. You don't understand. You won't understand.
I won't understand. I'll come back for you.
Huh? I wish I could see what's going on in there. Huh?
Collins. Chief. Collins. Chief. I don't believe the both of you. I don't. Where is the duplicates of the footage?
Chief, I have told you before and I still maintain my ground. There is no duplicate.
If you don't start talking, oh, you don't want to lose your legs? You will talk, right?
Chief.
Okay, fine. But if you don't start talking right now, I will cut your toes one after the other.
No, I told you before and I maintain my ground. There's no duplicate.
You don't want to talk.
But Chief, you said if I'm able to bring Linda to you, I'll be a free man.
Collins!
Change is constant.
Chief.
Change is constant. Where is the duplicate? 5.
Let's go.
6. 7. 8.
it will be unwise of you to complicate this situation at hand. Yes. Is it not better you face one child at the court and have less sentence? Because if you harm either of us, your punishment will be double. Chief, whether you like it or not, sooner or later, you will be exposed.
Allow me. Mommy.
Chief, you have to see this.
What? My God. I have always known that you cannot be trusted. You cannot be trusted, Collins.
Come on, don't I deserve a hug too?
After betraying.
Come on, I did not betray anybody. I actually saved the day.
Saved what day?
Okay, fine, let me explain what happened. You know, when you gave me the memory card, you know the country we live in, right? When you gave me the memory card, I inserted it in my phone, uploaded it on my Facebook and set a timer of when it will reflect. Because I can't even trust the police. We don't even know who is a loyalist to Chief. So in between, I decided to make money for us. Me and you know that we can't tell who is a loyalist to Chief. Do you understand? So you see, I did not betray anybody. I actually saved the day.
You were trying to make money while I was inside.
For us.
For us. What if I had died? Is this what you'll be telling me?
I'm sorry, Michael. You don't understand.
That was indeed a brilliant and smart move.
So,
really?
Come on.
Really?
Sorry.
Collins, of course you deserve a hug. Collins, you will get a hug. You know what? That's for the stress you put us through.
It's fine, you win. Can I get a hug?
Hey, don't do.
It's okay now,
You
guy.
call my mask.
Come
on, natural.
Bro, this is
It's
what you were
life.
telling me on my grave. If I had died, it's not easy. You wanted to make money. I'm sorry. It wasn't fair now. Do you know what I was passing through?
Your face. Hey.
Blood.
Take am easy, guy. Take am easy. Hey.